Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: how to rebuild your confidence after a breakup or divorce. It's a journey many of us know all too well. That feeling of your world turning upside down, the ground seeming to disappear beneath your feet. You question everything, don't you? Your worth, your dreams, your very identity can feel shattered. But let me tell you something, and listen closely. You are not alone. You are stronger than you know. If you're feeling lost or unsure of yourself, stick around. We've got some powerful tips to help you get back on track. We're going to walk this path together, step by step, toward healing and rediscovering the amazing person you truly are. It's time to rise, shine, and reclaim your life. This journey begins with honesty. You have to look in the mirror, straight into your own eyes, and say, it's okay to not be okay. Because right now, you're hurting. You're allowed to hurt. This is not a time for putting on a brave face or pretending that everything is all right. This is a time to honor your feelings. Let those tears flow. Let the anger rise and then let it go. Let yourself grieve what was lost. Because only when you face the pain can you begin to heal from it. Don't judge yourself for the sadness, the anger, the confusion. These are natural human emotions, and they are telling you that you loved, that you cared deeply. Give yourself permission to feel it all. Don't rush the process. Healing is not a race, it's a journey, and like any journey, it takes time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Now, as you navigate through those initial waves of pain, it's time to start nurturing your spirit. This is about self-care and self-love, darlings. Remember that you are precious, valuable, and worthy of love, starting with the love you give yourself. What brings a smile to your face? What makes your heart sing? Maybe it's a long hot bath with candles and your favorite music. Maybe it's getting lost in a good book or dancing around your living room like nobody's watching. Whatever it is, do it. Make time for yourself without guilt or apology. This is not selfish, it's essential. You're refilling your well, replenishing your spirit. Remember all those wonderful qualities that make you uniquely you. It's time to reconnect with those. Look in the mirror and speak kindly to yourself. Affirm your strengths, your beauty, your resilience. You've been through a storm, and you're still standing. That's something to celebrate. Chapter 3: The Power of Connection. Now, I know it can be tempting to isolate yourself during difficult times, to retreat into your shell and shut out the world. But let me tell you, that's not where the magic happens. The magic happens in connection. Reach out to those who love you, those who have seen you at your best, and hold you up at your most vulnerable. Your friends, your family, your support network. These are the people who remind you of your strength when you forget. Share your feelings, your fears, your hopes. Allow them to hold space for you, to offer a shoulder to cry on, a listening ear, a warm embrace. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. There's strength in vulnerability, in allowing yourself to be seen and supported. And you might be surprised by the strength and resilience you find in your loved ones, by the stories they share, the empathy they offer. You are part of a beautiful tapestry of human connection. Don't be afraid to reach out and let that connection lift you up. Chapter 4: Writing Your Next Chapter. As you begin to heal and find your footing again, it's time to start envisioning the next exciting chapter of your life. This is your opportunity to write a new story, one filled with purpose, passion, and joy. What have you always dreamed of doing? What makes your heart race with excitement? Maybe it's learning a new language, traveling to a far-off land, starting your own business, or finally writing that novel that's been simmering inside you. Whatever it is, go for it. Set those goals, big or small, and take those first steps towards them. Remember, you are capable of anything you set your mind to. This is your chance to rediscover old passions and ignite new ones. Embrace the unknown with open arms. This is your time to shine. Chapter 5: When You Need a Helping Hand. Now, I want to be clear about something. Healing isn't always linear. There might be days when the sadness feels overwhelming, when the doubts creep in, when you feel like you're taking 2 steps back for every step forward, and that's okay. Healing is not a straight line. It's a journey with twists and turns, peaks and valleys. And sometimes, you need a little extra support to navigate those challenging terrains. If you find yourself struggling, please don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can provide you with tools and strategies to cope with your emotions, rebuild your self-esteem, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of incredible strength. It's about recognizing that you deserve support, that you deserve to heal, that you deserve to thrive. And sometimes, that journey is made easier and more fulfilling with the guidance of a trained professional. Outro: You are worthy. Remember, rebuilding confidence takes time, but with these steps, you're on the right path. Embrace the journey and never forget your worth. You are a survivor, a warrior, and you are capable of creating a life filled with love, joy, and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.